Maharam Govt Higher Secondary School Mawphor kaladei sakawei pat ka shlem jinghikai ne center nakabenta ban jinghikai bat pentebit yaki kena hak jingle kai siat kenam ne Archery kabadei kabenta jong Khelo India. Hakane ke jingle kai kendon kombalai pungut ki kena shinrang bat kintei ke bala sha jet ban long ki kena ban sha jinghikai pentebit yelede hakane ke jingle kai. Yakani ke jaga jinghikai la plie perda da ka kong JU Kharpuri Additional Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasil District kabala long kum ka kong san bat kabala khabru ya ribbon na ka banta ban plie ya ka office rekam jong ka Khelo India Center haka Maharam Govt Higher Secondary School Mawphor haringkat ka jingadan lang u district sport officer u ba damang sengkon u in charge principal jong ka Nativity Higher Secondary School Mawphor u ba wandu nongbet rengkat ka jinge sakhilang ki khena school bat ki nong hikai. Yakane ka program la pencit pencingan shushu da ke jingrawai kerpang neki kena class 11 science jong ka Maharam Govt Higher Secondary School Mawphor. Ia ke jingalang la penya da ka kong Sylviana Mitchell Lengkoi ka jingkren na uba Waldo Nongbet in charge principal jong ka Maharam Govt Higher Secondary School Mawphor bat ka jingkren kublei na ka Munmora Lengkoi.
Well, the Khelo India Center, as has been said, it is an initiative of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The aim or the plan of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport is to have a very wide-reaching training program for athletes from the village and from the rural areas. So as you know that we used to have Sports Authority of India before, as you all know, PSI. Okay? But PSI is focused mainly on the state capitals. So it has not reached the grassroots, especially all the districts in most states in the country. So keeping this in mind, the government of India has conceptualized the Khelo India centers, wherein these centers will be headed by past champions or past athletes. I mean coached by past champions and past athletes. So as you have heard that Mr. Maharam Govt will be the coach of this particular center. Mr. Maharam himself has been a player who has represented the state at many national competitions. He has also won laurel for the state. And he is also a certified coach who has passed out from the National Institute of Sports, famously known as NIS. Okay, so you have a certified coach who will be giving you, who will be guiding you in this program. Not only that, through this team, all these trainings you will be receiving very good equipment so that you can improve on your training. You will be able to train with the best equipment that the scheme is able to offer. Okay? So under this, you have to make use of this opportunity. All those who have been selected, please be regular, please be disciplined. You have this great opportunity now to excel in this sport of archery. You have been selected from hundreds of others who have also tried for the selection. Okay? So you are the lucky few now. So please do not waste this opportunity. Okay? Practice well, listen to your coach, listen to your teachers, be here every time when there is a training program, and I'm sure that in a few years' time we will be able to produce medal winners from this school who will not only represent the school but will represent the district, will represent the state, and hopefully even will represent the country as a whole in winning medals at international competitions.
To encourage and also to motivate through this Khelo India Center that the discipline of archery that has been provided at Maharam Govt Higher Secondary School will be fully utilized, and I hope the teachers from time to time will be, following up with the students, and especially if there are students who are lagging behind or who are not coming for the trainings properly and not attending the trainings regularly, should have a follow-up of why they are not attending such trainings. So therefore, I would like to congratulate the school to progress ahead with the Khelo India Center with the discipline of archery, and also give my best wishes to the 30 trainee students who have been inducted. I think from today in itself can be called to be inducted to this training program. So all the best to all of you, and once again I extend my heartiest greetings and Congratulations to the DSO who has always been supportive, and he will always visit you from time to time, even in your training programs, so as to motivate you in the development and improvement of sports program in the district.